What makes a good estate planning attorney? Hello everyone. I am going to discuss today a few things to consider when choosing an estate planning attorney to help you achieve peace of mind knowing that your family is protected or at least prepared for what will happen in the future. So the first question I get when someone calls our offices is, how much money do you charge for an estate plan? I completely understand that question, but let's talk about a few other things that you may need to know. I truly believe that our firm offers very reasonable rates, but we offer so much more than that, and here are some of the things to consider. 1. Make sure you work with an attorney who takes the time to know your family. There are many instruments in estate planning world, and you want to make sure that your estate planning attorney knows exactly what your goals and wishes are, but also how they would work when you consider your exact family situation, your each heir's personality, interest, and goals for the future. 2. Make sure work with an attorney that makes you comfortable talking about very personal information about your family. For example, you need to be very comfortable with an attorney and not pause when you have to talk about the things like maybe disinheriting a child or maybe providing for an uneven distribution between your children, discussing potential divorces in your family's life. It is important that all those things are on the table in order for your estate planning attorney to fully cover your circumstances and to ensure that your goals will be achieved when the time comes. 3. Make sure that your estate planning attorney covers all your assets. Usually, if let's say you would have a revocable trust, your estate planning attorney will probably help you with the deed to the home into the trust. But estate planning is so much more than just avoiding probate. It's about talking about how your other assets, sometimes they may be even more valuable than your home, such as your life insurance proceeds, retirement funds, investments, how they work, how they are listed now, who are the beneficiaries listed. Is that what you want? Would it make better sense to have a trust as a listed beneficiary? If you have a question about the difference between transferring, let's say, a bank account into a trust and making the trust owner, as opposed to having the trust just a beneficiary on death to that bank account, and make sure you fully understand how they work with the rest of your estate plan. 4. It is important that you feel comfortable with calling back and asking questions before you sign your estate plan and even after you sign your estate plan while you're working through your financial assets and including them in your estate plan as per our previous point. And finally, ideally, you create a relationship with your estate planning attorney. You like them, you trust them, you want to be able to keep in touch with them. Things change in our lives all the time, and you want to be sure that you will want to reach out to the attorney and say, hey, this is what happened, what can we do, as opposed to dreading that phone call and not having your estate plan reflect your current family situation. So thank you so much for watching. Please give us a call if you have any questions, 405-857-8231. Be sure to watch our educational videos on YouTube and consider attending our estate planning presentation events. They are in person. That's a wonderful way for you to get to know me, my practice, the way I address things, and to ask questions. See you soon.